Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Milo ice cream. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of Milo powder, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Chilling your mixing bowl and whisk for at least 15 minutes beforehand will help achieve a perfect, fluffy texture. Also, have a freezer-safe container ready, ideally one that holds about 1 liter, to store your ice cream. Now, let's get mixing. Pour your 2 cups of very cold heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream on medium-high speed until it forms soft peaks. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, gently fold in the 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Finally, gradually add the 1 cup of Milo powder, mixing until the mixture is smooth and evenly colored. Be careful not to overmix. Once your Milo ice cream mixture is ready, carefully pour it into your freezer-safe container. Make sure to smooth out the top evenly. Cover the container tightly with its lid or a layer of plastic wrap to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours. For the best, scoopable consistency, leaving it to freeze overnight is highly recommended. Patience is key for this delightful dessert. After freezing, let your Milo ice cream sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes before scooping. This makes it easier to serve and enhances the creamy texture. Scoop generous portions into bowls or cones, and for an extra touch, sprinkle with more Milo powder or some chocolate shavings. It's a simple, delicious treat everyone will love. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.